And I tell myself you'll be back again when the stars are aligned. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. Yeah, now I know the time I've got is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the started to rise, we let go of the sky. And now there's something new.
Yeah.